We'll check out the cool old Dodge, man. Got a 1976 Adventurer Club Cab. Check it out. Looks pretty straight. Front end looks alright. This side here, look. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this didn't come out of the factory with this paint job. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Yeah. Shame this one's gonna get crushed, man. Cause it's not in bad shape for those of you who like Dodge. And I must admit, I like the Dodge interior on these trucks. You know, for these trucks, I'd say in a year like this, say like between Ford and Chevy and Dodge, I prefer the Dodge. I like the dash layout on these. Much more roomy too. Yeah, I don't really see much damage. I mean, the bumper there's got a little bit of damage. Last registered 2014, about 5 years ago. I like them one like this one. They're the club cab version, you know, extended. Although this isn't open. 06 of 76. I think that's 76, right? That would mean that's when it was. Yeah. Can you see it? Let me get that sun out of there. That glare. But she's got some rust on her. You can see the light. Yeah, you can see the door's got some rust on them. But I tell you, man, I've always liked the dash on these. Reminds me of the cars, you know, of this era. Man, it sucks with this glare. But this was kind of bitched up, you know. It's got that mileage. Oh, I see an 8 in front of that 3. Yeah, I hope you can see it. This one didn't have the optional gauges here. And the tack, I think, would have gone on this side, I think. Like the steering wheel. Still got the keys in it. Original with the Pentastar. I don't know if I can put them back in there. Put it upside down. There you go. Were they a smoker? I don't think so. Dash. I like the way this glove compartment opens too. It's pretty neat. And you got your, obviously, your fuses there. Oh man, you can see that rustle starting right there. Ooh, man, be careful, don't get bit by one of those suckers. Or stung, actually. Yeah, gotta be careful, man. There'll be some more in here. Oh, there's another one right there. I'm out. We cool, brother. We cool. Calm down, let's see. Now let's take a look under the hood. Figure out how to open this one. Okay. This hood looks to be in good shape. I think all the glass is good too on that truck, yeah. Even that sliding back window. Okay, so she wasn't originally, she looks like she was originally like what's that, like a orange or something like that. And this engine, small block, factory AC truck. Let's see if I can. Is this the way this works on this? The way I'm thinking it's like they stamped it out for the year 76. That's when this is the date of the engine manufacture. And is it going to be the 360? Because it looks like it's closer down here than the 318. I'm going to say 360. So we're going to go with that. Yeah. Oh, she got a Holly. And under it, I see. Can you see that? Edelbrock Performer 318 360. What does that say? Quality inspected. KDM. What does that mean? I don't know what that means on that one. Yeah. I wonder what they'd want for that intake. I mean, I don't have a small block. I don't have a small block Chrysler. Got a big block. Got a 440. But I don't know if I'd ever get one of these engines. I don't know. Oh man, I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, all right, man. Oh crap! I'm gonna close the damn thing, but it won't. What's that grill? Except for being painted, looks to be all right. That roof doesn't look like it has any hail damage either, right? No. But I'm sure it's got a lot of rust. Like it's coming out from the inside out. Well, there it is, man. 76 Adventurer Club Cab. Cool old trucks. I wouldn't mind having one of these. Alright, man. On to the next one.